Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the Nvidia Geforce error code 0xc184c00f on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to restart the Nvidia services. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type services and then select it as an application from the search results. And now in here what you have to do is scroll down until you locate any Nvidia service. For example, here we have 4 services. Right click on each of them and select the restart option. So what you have to do is restart each service, then simply restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to update your Geforce drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select the Device Manager option from the list of options. Now in here in the Device Manager window, make sure to expand Display Adapters, then right-click on your Geforce driver and select the Update Driver option. Now in here just click on Search automatically for drivers and wait until Windows will find the best available drivers for your PC. You can then just close these windows after you finished updating, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to reinstall the Geforce drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button once again and select Device Manager from the list of options. Now in here in the Device Manager window, expand Display Adapters, right-click on the Geforce driver and select the Uninstall Device option. Last thing you have to do is tick the box next to attempt to remove the driver for this device and then click on Uninstall to confirm the procedure. Afterwards, restart your computer and you'll see that Windows will automatically attempt to reinstall the drivers on your PC. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.